If you have been looking to create a digital product, but you don't know what type of digital product to create, you have all these ideas, but you're like, which one should I probably get started with and which one would make sense for what I'm trying to do? Well, today you're in for a treat because we're gonna talk all about 6 digital products that will help you to generate revenue in your business. And it's something that you can even start today. All right, let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business, to create passive income, and also create automation. Now, before we dive into today's topic, where I'm gonna share some digital products that you can get started with today to start generating some money into your business, I want you to check out a free guide that I have for you that will walk you through how you can start creating your digital products today. You can find that below. And also hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos. Okay, let's talk all about digital products, because a lot of people, when they think about digital products, they think about online courses, but not everything needs to go into a form of an online course. And just being frank with you, not everyone needs to teach an online course. So it's important for you to identify what type of digital product is going to work best for you. Today, I'm gonna share about 6 digital products that are really popular in the digital product space. And also, if done correctly, they can help you to start generating revenue in your business. So if you're looking for passive income, whether you're looking for it as a part-time or you're looking for this full-time and you're looking to start having more money come into your business, maybe this is an additional avenue in your business that you're looking to add on. Whatever the case may be, these digital products can help you get started, and you can get started with them today. So the first one I want to talk about is one that I just mentioned, is an online course. So if you are looking to create a digital product and you believe an online course is the best fit for you, whether it's a mini course or a signature course, or maybe you're doing a coaching program or a membership, creating an online course and providing it in that type of content is a really great way for you to connect with your audience. Now, one thing I have found with online courses, memberships, coaching programs, and things along those lines, if you have not helped someone else get those results first, I really want you to take into consideration finding somebody that you can work with, help them get the results and see transformation before creating it into an online course. Now, if you believe an online course is the right fit for your digital products, I want you to start looking into some platforms that could truly help you get to where you want to go. One of my favorite platforms is Kajabi, where you can host memberships, coaching programs, online courses, no matter what size they are. And also you can provide audio courses. So it's a really great way for you to be able to share your expertise through an online e-learning platform. Okay. Now let's talk about the second one. It's an ebook. Ebooks are a really great way for you to share how-tos or share a story and help your audience to get results. I love ebooks because it's a great way for me to just get onto my iPad, read it, and keep going with life. Now, if you are looking to share a story, or if you want to be able to walk your clients through maybe a step-by-step action plan, one way that you could do that is through an ebook. So I want you to check out ebooks because there's something that could be sold on your website directly, as well as some of the other platforms like Amazon and whatnot. So if you have been looking to share your story, this is a great way to get started, and it's also a product that is selling day to day. A lot of people are buying more ebooks versus actual books. So I want you to check out some of those options and see if it's a good fit for you. All right, now the next digital product that will be amazing for you to get started with if you are into Excel sheets is creating spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are an excellent way for you to be able to help someone who might be like me, who's not as familiar with Excel, who might even struggle here and there with putting in different formulas and really decorating my Excel spreadsheets to my liking. So you could be able to help individuals around the world to be able to create spreadsheets. You can already plug in the formulas, you can design it, and you can sell it as is. Now, that is an excellent way. I see so many people who have spreadsheets, and whenever I purchase spreadsheets from others, it's a really great way for me to, one, kind of skip over trying to figure out what formulas I need to plug in, and also two, I can see this pretty design and I'm like, goodness gracious, I don't know how they did it. I'm amazed. My husband can do stuff like that, and I think that's just so neat that it's just not my talent. So if you are looking to create spreadsheets, definitely go ahead and get started with that. All right, the next digital product is templates. So if you have created something, whether it's a landing page or emails, or maybe you have designed graphics and you are able to utilize them as templates, that's a great opportunity for you to sell that to your audience. So one thing that I love to do in my own business is sell Kajabi templates. I also like to sell Canva templates that have a full collection associated with them. And in addition to that, I also sell email script templates. So it's a great way for people to utilize some of the steps and methods that I have already put in place, and they can be able to duplicate that and be able to plug in their own branding or their own voice and things like that. So if you have anything that could be a template in your business that you're currently using today, whether it's a checklist or maybe you have a planner that really works well for you in your business, it's an excellent way for you to turn that into a template and share that with your audience. Now, the next thing that you can create for your digital products is printables. So printables are a really great way for you to be able to create things like planners, or you can create workbooks where someone can be able to print them out. They receive it digitally, but then once they receive it, they're able to print it out and they can put it into a binder, or if they can, write on it and utilize it every single day. I love to buy digital planners because it's a really great way for me to be able to start planning my year, to plug into things I need to do from day in and day out throughout the month. And so if you are looking to create anything that could be a printable, that is a great opportunity for you to provide workbooks, planners, all that good stuff for your audience. The next one is downloadables. So downloadables are very similar to printables. However, your downloadables don't necessarily have to be printed. So you can be able to create so many different things. It could be audio that you're creating and it's a downloadable. It could be maybe you're doing a filter for photography and you're selling that filter. That's a downloadable. So I want you to think about downloadables that might fit for your audience. What would work best so you can help them get ahead in whatever it is that they're experiencing. Okay, so there you have it. There are these 6 digital products that can help you to start generating money today and also help you to be able to grow in your online business. Digital products don't have to always be in the form of an online course. There's several other options out there. However, if you want to have a course, you can, but just know that you can also create ebooks, downloadables, templates, and so much more. All right, Corporate Misfits, I can't wait to see what you create. Please let me know in the comment section some of the digital products that you're looking to create for your business. It could be more than one. All right, you can leave that comment below. All right, I'll see you soon. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.